Thank you. Let's get to a topic that unfortunately we have to talk about a lot here on Get Up DC. And in the news today, gun violence. Earlier this week, we told you the Surgeon General declared it a public health crisis.
In his advisory, he said that firearm violence is now the leading cause of death for kids. Let that sink in. More than half of U.S. adults have experienced a gun-related incident. So we wanted to know what local community leaders think about this advisory. Jess Arnold spoke with some of them, and she joins us now from the Capitol, or from Capitol Hill. And Jess, in moving away from only focusing on the crime aspect, the advisory makes a number of recommendations to begin to solve this crisis.
Yeah, that's right, Annie. Now, some of them include investing in research on the impact of gun violence and prevention strategies, implementing more community violence interventions, and expanding access to mental health care services. But there is not much teeth in an advisory. That's why these DC activists that I've been speaking with are calling on lawmakers here on Capitol Hill to put that teeth behind it and pass legislation that could make a difference.
Being a hospital-based violence intervention specialist, and seeing these changes, it really warmed my heart, and I feel like it's a step in the right direction.
Joanna Hardy works at Children's National Hospital and also founded the group Guns Down Friday. For years, she and many other D.C. advocates have been pushing for gun violence to be approached through a public health lens. In 2021, Mayor Muriel Bowser declared D.C.'s own public health crisis. Teen ambassador for Hardy's group, Micaiah King Brooks, is glad to see the federal government following suit.
Just keeping it in the doctor's hands is just a perfect way to guide through it. And maybe when they figure out, like, wow, like it's really a health crisis that everybody getting shot, maybe they're going to like start to lower it down or like just start to change their mindset up in their ways.
Founder of the Trayron Center, Ryan Nickens, says the advisory is just a start.
It's like, okay, great. Now, can we get the research to help kids who live in communities where gun violence has become a generational thing? Like, where's the research and how we treat them? Gun violence is not just one thing. It is not just school shootings. It's not just mass shootings. It's not just communal gun violence or suicide. It's all these things, and there are different ways to address all of these things.
The bullet goes way further than the person it hit. The bullet hits the community. It hits everyone around.
Now, Surgeon General Dr. Vivek Murthy is comparing these efforts on gun violence to past public health campaigns against cigarette smoking and increasing seatbelt use. He said that calling attention to those issues did create meaningful change over time, and he says he hopes the same happens here. Guys.
Serious problem indeed, and it's nice to see some solutions coming to the table and being discussed. Jess, thank you for that.